Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Journey battery. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. Wear appropriate safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from battery acid and electrical hazards. The battery in a Dodge Journey is conveniently located in the passenger footwell, under the floor mat. Once you've located the battery, it's time to disconnect the terminals. Always start with the negative terminal first to prevent accidental short circuits. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative terminal, then carefully remove the cable. Next, repeat this process for the positive terminal, ensuring both cables are clear of the battery posts. With the terminals disconnected, you'll need to remove the battery hold down. This is typically a clamp or strap that secures the battery in its tray. Unfasten the mechanism, which might involve loosening a bolt or releasing a clip. Once the hold down is free, carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment, being mindful of its weight. Before installing your new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminal connectors. This helps ensure good electrical contact and prevents corrosion. Place the new battery securely into the tray, then reattach the hold down. When connecting the terminals, always attach the positive cable first, followed by the negative cable, to complete the installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.